Probably 3/4 of an inch. Hey guys, this is Tim. I just received this garden shredder or wood chipper from Amazon to do a review. So let's take it out of the box, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, looks like this is a chute to put leaves and stuff into the shredder. Okay, it came with a user's manual. This is model SI-GH003. Of course, you have the wood chipper or shredder. You have a push paddle. You have a collection box. Comes with an Allen key, an axle, a couple of wheels, a couple of wheel covers. Then you have the hopper. So let's get it put together. Put the axle and wheels on. Unscrew this. Place one washer to the inside, one to the outside. Okay, this is a shredder or wood chipper. It's made by Swap Smith. Very good reputation here. There's a knob here on the back that locks it in place. To unlock it. This gives access actually to the blades. Of course, you don't want to enter this at all unless you have the electrical power disconnected. This is your hazard zone. You just lock this back in place before operating. Comes with a safety push as well, that you can stuff leaves down here just to the edge. You don't want to insert this all the way because it could reach the blades. You have the power on button, power off. Takes a regular 120 volt electrical outlet. Has a 15 amp rated power motor. This is a 50 liter collection box. This safety hopper will hold 10 liters and it will cut branches up to like 1.77 inches or 1 3/4 size. So let's take it outside and give it a try. Oh, you can roll this into place, set it up. Plug it up. Turn it on. Probably 3/4 of an inch. check them out. Look here at this. Got a little bit of loose. Can you use that for compost?
Yeah.
Except for the twigs.
Yeah. Use that for mulch.
Alright, I'll turn it on.
Part that loose.
This wood chipper from Swap Smith works pretty good. Does a good job at mulching, as you saw earlier. It's much easier to feed in limbs that are straight, that doesn't have stems spread out. But at either case, they feed in just perfectly fine. I think the larger the leaves too takes a little bit of work of putting in, but overall I think it's very heavy duty. It's got a very powerful motor, a 50-liter storage bin. So overall I'm very pleased with this wood chipper shredder. So I highly recommend this from Swap Smith.